guys, what's up? This is Suboohi and today's video is all about shopping haul from Dubai part 2.
So this time I discovered a new place in Dubai to shop from where I found my favorite brands on awesome discounts. And this is Outlet Mall. So without wasting time, let me show you guys what all I got.
So let's get started with one of my favorite brands that I never got a chance to shop from, that is Diesel. What I got from Diesel is this dress. This is the cutest dress I ever got and I just picked it as soon as I saw it.
And it's a silk dress with pocket on both sides. And that's how I wore it, with basic slippers and this cute backpack.
Now this pant is a real bomb. Seriously, I literally can't wait to wear it. I just loved it. I'm so excited about this pant. Alright, now what comes next is from Mango. So I picked two things. Alright, so Mango had around 80 to 90% discounts, and because of which there was nothing in this store. So I got this shrug or blazer, you can say. I just loved it. It's kind of semi-formal. And the next is this denim. I was looking for a denim, something like this, some self print or something. So this is high-waist denim and I'm absolutely loving it. Now this is going to be the most dope brand I ever found, and I ended up picking just one thing because it was a little too expensive, and this was not in Outlet Mall, it was in Dubai Mall. So this brand is called Desigual. You can see its bag also. It's quite colorful and quirky, which I literally loved. Anyways, so what I picked is this denim jacket. This denim jacket is gonna be my all-time favorite. Look at this. Look at this quirky stuff. I mean, I was looking for a denim jacket, something like that, which has some, patchwork or some ribbed stuff, but I wasn't getting. But this was just amazing. Alright, what's next? What's next is this. These are pretty cute slippers from River Island. I already wore it and made it a little yucky.
But these were super comfortable that I didn't wear anything else throughout my Dubai vacation.
What's next? It's this Forever 21. I picked only these simple yet quirky color, these slippers. Now the next I got hot pink stilettos from this brand Vinci. I was looking for a very long time for this color. I mean, just look at its color, it's so hot. I just picked it as soon as I saw it. Okay, so now next I have one brand that I never ever heard of it. I found this brand in Outlet Mall only. It's Julio Twist. This is gonna be my all-time favorite denim. Ta-da! Look at this, Mickey on both sides.
And that's how I paired it.
So the next thing is this Baker Boy cap.
And the best part is कि almost सारे dresses पर अच्छी लगती है. Next are these white shades. And these shades go with almost everything.
Now last but not the least is my Sephora. Ta-da! And this time I didn't shop a lot of makeup stuff because now I'm more into skincare than makeup. So this time I got more skincare things which did wonders for my skin. And the first thing I want to show you guys is this Blemish Control Infusion Serum from Cotelli. I've been using this serum twice a day and like 80% blemishes have been blurred and almost disappeared. So the next stuff we got a guest here. She's my dear. Okay, so the next stuff I got from Sephora is this daily moisturizer. It's instant moisturizer water gel with the hyaluronic acid. Definitely it's amazing for my oily skin. Then I got this Glow Tonic to Go from Pixie. So it has some cotton pads that I use after washing my face. I use it as a toner basically. The next thing I got is this eye serum, under eye serum from Clarins. I am super obsessed with this brand, and I just believe whatever I'm picking from this brand is definitely going to work amazingly well. And yes, it never disappointed me. So this is under eye serum, which claims to lift your under eye area and minimize dark circles, any puffiness or fine lines and wrinkles. So it's been almost 2 months I have been using this serum. I'm not sure if this thing is actually working. It's just that I believe I'm using phone and laptop a little too much, that is just been neutralizing. My dark circles is not getting worse, also is not getting lesser also. So that's what it is doing. The next thing from Clarins is definitely works amazingly well. It's a little roll-on kind of thing. I can use it on top of my makeup also and before my makeup also, and it minimizes or blurs my pores and makes my skin matte. I'm gonna use it right now. So this tiny little guy is amazing. Alright, the next thing I got, I actually picked this stuff by mistake because I just read scrub and I just picked it thinking that it's a scrub for my face, but it's actually a volumizing scrub for my hair. But this one is from Christopher Robin Cleansing Volumizing Paste with pure Rasol clay and rose extract. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to show you is just form, and I have no idea if I can ever be able to finish this stuff. I mean, it will take me forever to finish. Is this Huda Beauty Nymph, not your mama's pantyhose, you know, it's all over body highlighter. So this stuff, you can see the size, it's equal to my palm almost. So the next stuff is, these are common things that I have read amazing reviews of and wanted to pick, is this transparent finishing powder from MAC, and the other one is lip prep and prime from MAC. This stuff is quite good. I just loved it. It's a primer kind of thing for your lips basically, but it also works like a lip balm. So I basically use it before I put my matte lipstick, so it keeps my lips hydrated, and it also doesn't give that shiny kind of effect. So when I apply my matte lipstick, it looks just matte, amazingly matte. So I like this little guy. And when I picked all these stuff from Sephora, can you guess what I got? Even I don't believe, but I got such a huge bag.
Kind of a weekend bag, I would say.
Literally, while coming back from Dubai, I had so much of luggage that I literally stuffed few of my stuffed toys that I won there on the beach. So this bag came quite handy to me. So it's a nice stuff and it's looking cute also. Thank you, Sephora. Alright, so that's all from my Dubai shopping haul too. If you guys like these shopping haul videos, please do comment below and let me know, because I've heard from so many people that it's just a kind of show off, you know, you shop so much and you just love to show off on Instagram and YouTube and everywhere. But to me, it is a kind of information. Like, if I love someone's style, I would love to see what that person is shopping. So I would love to see. So if someone likes my style, definitely they would love to know that what kind of accessories and what kind of skincare or makeup stuff I'm picking. So I think it's a kind of quite informative video. So if you liked it, give a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So if you got any questions or any query related to anything, just drop your questions in the comments below and I'll answer it. See you next time. Bye bye.